Honestly speaking, as Angry Rantman would say, this is the fucking worst start of the season. Is this any way to treat your fucking fans? Is this what we're waiting 1.5 months for? To lose 2-0, 2 fucking 0 to Crystal Palace out of all fucking teams. 2-0. And I am recording this at the time the second goal has been hit after the penalty. Because I know United no way is going to capitalize. There's no way we are going to get 3 goals and even draw the game. This is fucking useless watching United games. It is 11:30 now. This is way past an average person's sleep time. Yet every United fan stays up and watches these games. Seriously, after seeing the lineup, I predicted to my friend that we are going to lose miserably. Fosu Mensah and Daniel James, out of all people, why the fuck didn't Donny van de Beek didn't start? Huh? He was the new signing. You keep the new signing on the bench and you bring him in the 63rd minute? Why wasn't he substituted at halftime? Secondly, that Lindelof needs to be sold. The first goal was his mistake. He should have been much more faster and should have cleared that ball before it landed that cross. Just a useless of a centre back. This is why that Tangen Mengi someone needs to come in. I just read yesterday that he was promoted to the first team. Why wasn't he in the first lineup? I know he's young, but you have to give young players a chance instead of giving these old fuckers just the salary and no fucking performance. Now every game is going to continue. There is no hope for Manchester United. No hope at all. We are going to get thrashed 6-0, 4-0 in the Champions League. This is what is going to happen. If we are getting thrashed 2-0 by Crystal Palace out of all teams, imagine what's going to happen when we face Real Madrid or Juventus. This club is just rotten to the ground. The board needs correction. That Ed Woodward needs to be fucking fired. He's an investment banker, has zero idea about football. Yet he is sitting there and just taking the money and loading it up his ass. That is it. I do not blame the manager. The manager is doing his best, I feel. The players need to get motivated. The players need to feel that they want to win titles for the fans. This badge means something. It means passion, honor, and glory. Where are all these aspects? We are just playing as if we are coming to the field to play with the cows. Nothing else. Just throw the ball, see where it lands. If it's a goal, it's a goal. Celebrate like animals. That is it. I have nothing more to say. Unless this club gets more signings, increases their winning mentality, there is no hope. God save Manchester United. That is it. Now 3 goals. Zaha is taking his revenge. When all those years back, Alex Ferguson sold him. Just played him 4 games. That is it. He's just taking revenge every time we play him. Every time we play him, he scores sensational goals and acts like Ronaldo. 3 goals. 3. I feel sorry for Donny van de Beek. He came to this club and this is what we are showing him. The true side of Manchester. Only this color is attractive, nothing else. From inside it's just plastic. China mal. You throw it on the ground, it will break in millions of pieces. This is what is happening. Ed Woodward, I want you out. You are hopeless. You have zero idea. In 2014, I think you said, we are doing things in the transfer market that no other club can do. Watch this space. I'm waiting. This space has become a black hole. I'm getting sucked into it. That is it. This club is hopeless. Unless there are major improvements in the board, in the management, nothing is going to happen. This is going to continue years and years. Last season, because of Bruno Fernandes, we reached the Champions League. There also we are going to get thrashed now. Hope is gone. For a United fan, the hope is what kills you. Nothing else. The hope. The small glimmer of hope that you get in your heart. Match day after match day that, United is going to win. Then this happens. Nothing better expected. You play Dan James instead of Greenwood in the first lineup. That only will happen. The guy just runs around like a rat. Nothing else.